Welcome to Chad's Silversmithing. Today I wanted to just give you a quick tip that's more having to do with making your jewelry a little bit more saleable than anything else. And it has to do with getting yourself a square mandrel. And I wanted to talk about the advantages of that and how you can use it when you're actually doing a show or something. But before we get started, I wanted to ask if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And if you want updates when I upload new videos, hit the little bell button. So let's get going. I'll talk a little bit about a way you can sell more jewelry when you're doing a show. Oftentimes, I'll have a box at a show full of little simple bands. And I usually sell them for $20 to $25 a piece, depending upon what they are. But sometimes you can sell quite a few of these because sometimes people just want to take something home from the show as a souvenir, even if it's not an expensive item. But what really is intriguing to some people is you can make rings square. And sometimes when you show people that you can do that on the spot, it produces a sale. I'm not sure if it's just a novelty or if it's because what people say is that square rings don't push on your other fingers as hard because they have more vertical sides. But the way to make those, whether that's true or not, I don't know, but people seem to think it, they make square mandrels that are kind of a rounded square like this. So if you bring a hammer and your mandrel, both mandrels actually, I usually have a mix of square and round rings in the box that are available for sale. But also, if somebody finds one that's, you know, the right size for their finger, but they really like the idea of having a square one, you don't have to take a custom order. You can just immediately throw it on here. And then you have a square ring for them. So it's just that easy. The other thing is, if you have a square one and they want it to be round, if you have your regular mandrel width, you can just do the opposite thing and just make it round for them. It doesn't change the size of it all. You still have exactly the same size band. It's just the shape, the geometry of the whole thing. So I just thought that was an interesting tip because sometimes it will produce a sale when you have someone who's kind of iffy about buying something, just because of the novelty of it. Right. Hopefully you can see some of the benefits of having one of those square mandrels and a round one when you're doing a show, so you can swap it out for people if they decide that they like that style. But either way, thanks for watching, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anybody else who who might think that this is an interesting topic. So thanks again, and happy silversmithing.